Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Dee from CreateLoveShare. I have a very quick little unboxing I wanted to share with you today. So this little package came today, and this is from a place called itchystitchy.com.au, and they are located in Queensland, and I jumped on their website. They actually have quite a lot of bits and pieces, cross stitching, embroidery, Ada cloths, DMCs, all that sort of thing. So I wanted to share with you what I ordered, because this is my first order with them, and this came in so quickly. I cannot believe how quick this came in. So I'm just gonna open it up like that, and everybody? That's everybody. Okay, so, oh, that's nice. Thank you for your order. Okay, and it's come in this really nice tissue paper. That's really lovely. So I got some DMCs, and I got some other bits and pieces here. So I'll just go through. So DMCs, we used to have a shop here locally, and they have closed down. So when I need my DMC colors, I have to go online to get them, and I thought I owned nearly every color, but apparently I don't. So there's my DMCs. Aren't they gorgeous? Now I'm doing a cross stitch from a diamond painting. So I'm going to do the diamond painting, but I'm also going to do a cross stitch as well of the same thing. So that's why I bought all these extra colors. So, and they're all DMCs, and the price was really good. They were 99 cents each, I kid you not. And their website was really easy to navigate and to order these, and they have all different flosses and all that sort of thing. So there should be 20 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome. So I will be doing a video on how I do that diamond painting to cross stitch. So keep your eyes peeled for that one in the future. It's going to be really interesting because I want to compare a diamond painting versus a cross stitch of the same thing. So there you go. Wow, that's a lot of colors. So I'll be ready to do that pretty quick. So I wanted to show you that, but I also wanted to show you, she has a whole bunch of these, they're called needle minders. Oh, and he's stuck. So they have a whole range of needle minders, and these can also double up as cover minders for your diamond painting because it's exactly the same thing. There are so many, it was so hard to choose, but the reason why I got these was because back in the olden days when I used to cross stitch, you used to get these things, the magnet on a badge thing, and I never used it because it actually, when you sort of hook it on there, it always drags. It's quite heavy. It always drags your cross stitch down, and it flops, and I found that it would flop and then my needle would fall off, so I never used it. So I thought, right, I need a needle minder. So I got these guys. So I'll zoom you in a little bit so you can have a bit of a closer look. I couldn't decide that, oops, there were so many different ones you could choose from. So this one here, whoa. So this one here is a little bit different. It's actually a bit bigger than I expected it. So I'll just try and get it out of there. Oh. So how does that work? Oh. Sorry, I'm looking for the magnet. Actually, sticks together so it's magnetized around the edging. Now this one I got in particular because it's fabric covered, and as you can see it's double-sided. It's fabric covered, and what I was kind of hoping to do was, well, it definitely, wow, that's really strong. Can I stick it in the fabric? No, that's okay. I just thought that was adorable. So that, ooh, I will be using as a needle minder. That is so cute. And the others, so these all come separately. Oh, I can't get into it. It's too early in the morning. There we go. So, how cute is that? It comes on this little card. I love that. I think it's so beautiful. Beautifully packaged. Gorgeous. So this one here, I thought this was just so delicate. How pretty is that? I think that was like $3.50 or something. I'll do the magnet test. Yep. No problem at all. I just thought that was so cute. So I was going to use that as a cover reminder actually for my diamond painting. And this one, like you can get those flowers in a pack of 3, or you can get them individually. And this one here is the same thing. That's quite a strong magnet. Whoa. Yep, that's really strong. You can use that as a cover reminder. I thought that was so pretty. And you just whack your needle on there, or use it as a cover reminder. So pretty. And they weren't expensive. And the last one, I thought that was so pretty. How gorgeous is that? I just bought it because it's pretty. I love it. And again with your little magnet on the back. These are really nice quality needle minders, and it's got that bit of glitter in it as well. Oh, they just had everything you could think of. They had Harry Potter ones. They had, I can't get that off. Oh my God, that's so strong. They had Harry Potter ones. They had, oh God, anything you could think of they had virtually. They just had so many different ones. And we'll do our needle test. No problem. Cool. So there you go. Oh, now they're all sticking to each other. Oh my gosh. So there's a few different needle minders there. Cover minders if you like. And a whole bunch of DMC colors. Oh my gosh, I don't know about you, but every time I get DMC colors, I'm just like, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Yep, so that's my beautiful little order that I got from itchystitchy.com.au. Gee, they were so good to deal with and so quick to get this order out. I'm just so impressed. So I will definitely be buying from them again. They have anything to do with cross stitching, embroidery, all that sort of stuff. And they've got patterns and everything too. So but yeah, check out their range of needle minders / cover minders because they had so many. So there you go. That was my first order with Itchy Stitchy, and I will definitely be going back again. And keep your eyes peeled for that video in the not too distant future, so you can see how that sort of worked out with my cross stitch from my DP graph. So that's going to be interesting. So thank you so much for watching my quick little unboxing video, and I will catch you next time. Bye.